In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete columns in ClickUp. If you've been working in ClickUp for a while, your list view can start to feel cluttered with too many columns. Maybe you added a field you no longer use, or you want to simplify what your team sees. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to remove, or more accurately hide, those extra columns from your list view so your workspace stays clean and focused. First, open ClickUp and go to the list view where you want to make changes. List view is the layout that shows your tasks in rows and your fields as columns, almost like a spreadsheet. Make sure you're actually in the correct list or folder, because the column settings you're about to change apply to the specific view you're looking at, not to every view in your workspace. Next, click into the project or list that contains the column you want to remove. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right place by checking the tasks you see on screen. If the tasks don't look familiar, you might be in a different list or space, so navigate until you find the exact list where the column appears. Once you're in the right list view, look towards the top of your task table for the option labeled Columns. This is usually near the top right of the view, around where you manage filters, grouping, and other display options. Click on Columns to open the Column Management panel. This panel controls which fields are visible as columns in your current view. In the Columns panel, you'll see a list of available fields such as status, assignee, due date, and any custom fields you've created. Each one has a small toggle switch next to it. The toggles that are turned on represent the columns that are currently visible in your list view. To delete a column from view, find the column you want to remove and click its toggle to turn it off. As soon as you do this, that column will disappear from your list view, giving you a cleaner, more focused layout. The underlying field and its data are still stored in ClickUp. You're simply hiding the column from this particular view. This is helpful because if you change your mind later, you can come back to the Columns panel and turn the toggle back on to make it visible again. That's all you need to do to delete or hide columns in ClickUp. By managing your columns this way, you can keep each view tailored to exactly what you and your team need to see.